the Monkey and the Magic of Mindfulness. Once upon a time in a bright sunny forest lived a little monkey named Milo. Monkey. Monkey. Milo was always jumping, running and swinging through the trees as if he had 100 things to do all at once. His parents loved him very much, but sometimes they are mad at him because whatever they asked Milo to do, he is not mindful. One day, Milo's mother asked him,
Milo, can you go pick some juicy muskmelons? They're very healthy and will keep you hydrated and strong.
Sure, Mama.
Then he went through the forest to collect the muskmelon. 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 But along the way, Milo saw his friends playing a fun game. He forgot all about the muskmelons and joined in, laughing and running around with his friends. Time flew by, and soon it was almost dark.
Oh no, Mama told me to bring muskmelons. What am I going to do now?
Milo quickly ran back home where his mother was waiting.
Milo, did you bring the muskmelons?
I forgot, Mama. I got distracted and started playing with my friends.
Mama Monkey became upset and left. This isn't the first time. Milo remembered the other day when Mama Monkey asked him to help water the plants. He spilled all the water on the ground. And the other day, Mama Monkey asked Milo to drink milk. But because of his carelessness, he spilled the milk and left hungry. Milo felt very sad. He wanted to help, but he kept messing up.
Why cannot I do things correctly?
As Milo sat near a little stream, feeling upset, a magical mermaid appeared in the water. Mermaid. Mermaid.
Hello, Milo. Why do you look so sad?
Hey, Mermaid. You know whenever I try to help my mom, I always make a mess or forget what I'm supposed to do. Why does this keep happening to me?
Milo, you're a very smart monkey. But these things happen because you're not being mindful. Like when you should study or drink milk, you play. And when you have to bring something, you start playing and forget. Mindfulness means paying full attention to what you're doing, instead of thinking about a lot of different things at once. If you focus on each task, you'll see a big difference.
Milo understood and thought to follow this. He finished his homework carefully, ate his food without spilling a bite, and even helped his mother with watering the plants without making a mess. His mother noticed and smiled.
Milo, have you noticed how well you did everything? You were being mindful, and that's why nothing got messy.
Milo beamed with happiness. From that day on, he promised himself to be mindful in everything he did. Little learners, from that day on, Milo the monkey learned that being mindful helps us appreciate life and stay calm. Did you enjoy watching this video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and exciting videos.